auditors do. In addition to examining and preparing financial documentation or written reports, auditors must explain their findings. This includes face-to-face meetings with organization, managers, and individual clients. An auditor typically does the following: examines financial statements for accuracy, examines financial statements for compliance and with laws and regulations, compute tax owed and prepares tax returns, make sure tax are paid properly and on time, in, inspects account books and accounting system for efficiency, organizes and maintains financial records, best makes best practices recommendations to management, suggest ways to reduce costs, enhance revenues, and improve profits. Many auditors specialize depending on the particular organization that they work for. Some specialize in assurance services, improving the quality or context of information for decision making, or risk management, determining the probability of misstatement on financial documentation. Other auditors specialize in specific industries such as healthcare. Some workers with a background in accounting and auditing teach in colleges and universities. The four main types of auditors are public auditors. Public auditors do a broad range of accounting, auditing, tax, and consulting tax tasks. Their clients include corporations, governments, and individuals. They work for financial documents that clients are required by law to disclose. These include tax forms and balance sheet statements that corporations must provide potential investors. For example, some public auditors concentrate on tax matters, advising corporations about the tax advantages of certain business decisions or preparing individual income tax returns. They review clients' financial statements and inform investors and others that the statements have been correctly prepared and reported. Some public auditors specialize in forensic accounting on or investigating financial crimes such as security fraud and embezzlement, bankruptcies and contract disputes, and other complex and possibly criminal financial transactions. Forensic auditors. Forensic auditors combine their knowledge of accounting and financial with law and investigating techniques to determine if an activity is illegal. Many forensic auditors will work closely with law enforcement personnel, lawyers during investigations, and often appear as expert witnesses during trials. Government auditors maintain and examine the records of government agencies and audit private businesses and individuals whose activities are subject to government regulations or taxations. Auditors employed by federal, state, and local government ensure that revenue are received and spent in accordance with the laws and the regulations. Coming to the internal auditors. Internal auditors check for mismanagement of an organization's funds. They identify ways to improve the process for finding and eliminating waste and fraud. External auditors. External auditors are dependent auditors and they do not work for the company they are auditing. Investors, government agencies, and general public companies rely on the type of the auditor to present an unbiased and independent report. Information technology auditors. Information technology auditors are internal auditors who review controls for their organization's computer systems to ensure that the financial data comes from a reliable source.